Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about how to recover your permanently delayed files on Windows 11 in 2025. If you got accidentally deleted some things from your PC and even emptied the recycle bin, don't panic. There are still ways to bring your file back. First, check if you have a file history or backup and restore enable. Just go to settings, go to systems, and go to storage, and look for advanced backup options, and open file history. If it's turned on, you can browse previous version of folders and recover those files from there. If file history wasn't set up, you can try a recovery tool. One of the most reliable free options is Windows File Recovery, a command line tool for Microsoft. Download it from Microsoft Store and then open it and run a command like winfr space c colon space d colon space backslash n forward slash users forward slash your name forward slash your documents. Replace the drive letter and pass based on your file it was. If that feels too technical, the third-party apps like Recuva or EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard offers user-friendly interfaces. Just install, scan the drive, and follow the prompts to recover deleted files. Lastly, if your files were synced to OneDrive, go to the OneDrive website and check the recycle bin in there. So it's to store deleted cloud files for up to 30 days. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If this helped you to recover your permanently delayed files on Windows 11, please like the video, leave your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more Windows tutorial and guides. See you in the next time.